Hello everyone, this is Zeynep. I'm the responsible product manager for ITarian service desk. I will start with demonstration first and we can take your questions at the last 10 minutes. On chat, I added a forum link for sharing your webinar requests so we can add our weekly webinar topics and answer questions about this webinar. Also, after webinar session, we will send the webinar record via email. During this webinar, we will be talking about how to activate service desk for new ITarian accounts, how your staff will see open tickets and ticket details, how your customers can open service desk to your ticket board, and how ITSM integration with SD works. And then last we will be talking about new addition to the ITarian family of products, ITarian Quick Ticket. I will show you where you can open and where you can download our new application. We can start with activating a service desk for new user. I created one user for webinar. As you can see, the first welcome notification here, you can see service desk is waiting for activation. You can enable service desk model under the application menu, and after pressing OK button, you can use ITSM product. But if you want to use service desk, you can click here and activate service desk. As you can see, ITSM Endpoint Manager is now restored, and you can click service desk here and activate your service desk, or you can click new ticket button and again activate your service desk, or you can go store and select the service desk. I will open service desk from applications menu. And as a detail, you can see you should enable service desk application from store. I will click here to go to store, and I will buy a service desk. Sorry. I will take service desk as a free product, and I will read this license and service agreement and agree this, and my service desk will be activated and you can use freely from your portal. Now my service desk is activating. After this activation process will done, you can use your service desk and you can start to your settings. You can add your stuffs and your templates, etc. I will continue with my profile, which is my profile is enrolled to my computer. So you can see at this device and a profile. This profile is my computer's device profile. Under profile section, we have monitors. Before this, I want to show first service desk. Let me show first tickets. I have under my service desk my tickets, my open tickets actually. As you can see, there is monitoring tickets here, and device. This device is my computer's name, and I created a monitoring rule from ITSM. So when a CPU alert is triggered, my ITSM portal will open my profile as a ticket, a service ticket. So I can see from here and I can go to solve this problem. This device will be your customer's device. You have profile, and you can go directly to your tickets and see details under your tickets, which priority and which department opened this ticket, which user created triggered this ticket and it's open. And you can see the users related tickets under this user section. And also you can see additional information from here. And this is the device which has this monitoring problem triggered by ITSM portal. And you can see other ticket information from here. Also, if you need to remote control to this device, you can click the remote control button and solve your customer's problems via using remote control. Or you can schedule, process your tickets. You can add materials from here, and you can add cost and bills for the tickets including. You can edit, close, delete, and the other options are here as a easy menu. And we have actions for a ticket. For all tickets, you can manage from your admin panel also the ticket details. I will basically talk about these ticket details. You can post replies for these sessions. For example, if you have a CC or a collaborator for your tickets, you can directly add to as an email and a full name with these details. And you can, if you open a ticket, it directly starts to time spent counter, and you can select your work as a service type, on-site, remote, or telephone. And then you can select billable, and you can bill, you can charge your customers for this service as a bill, and you can count your bills after closing these tickets. You can see the details for monitoring triggered by this device. If you select that one device can cause one ticket with same issue, it will looks like this. This problem occurs more than one, but there is one ticket, and we can see all problems caused by a CPU problem will included one ticket, and we can see when or how much CPU problem occurred, which how many seconds this problem continue, and you can see the details inside one ticket. You don't have to trigger more than one ticket. And also you can see the details of the problem which ITSM opens this ticket to us. And you can see that details, performance metrics, and connectivity metrics. You can also customize these metrics from ITSM portal, which I will show you later. And you can add materials to your ticket with your bills cost. As I said, there is a shortcut from here. You can add, you can see the billable times for one ticket, and you can also add stuff and schedule your stuff for this ticket, and you can select time, date, and hours. And if you schedule a time for this ticket, you can see a scheduled time here. You are working on ticket that is already scheduled as an information. This is the basic information for one ticket. Also, we can go directly to our ticket list. What I want to show you is this icon is for which system triggered our tickets in our list. For example, this means that I opened this ticket on call. This ticket is come from email fetching. My customer sent me an email, and this email will open by a ticket. And this is the same. This without icon one is triggered by ITSM portal, which is I have these devices inside my profile. I click this device name, and it directly goes to it directly goes to my associated device, and I can see the device, which device and which details it has, and I can see all details to this tickets device. Also, I can go under monitors, or I will go directly from profiles. This is my profile, and under profile section we have monitors menu, and under monitors menu we have rules for monitors. And if you click CPU, for example, this triggered our ticket. You can add new conditions. For example, if I add a new condition for a CPU monitor, you can add condition if more than 100% value during 5 minutes or seconds, it will continue. It will directly go triggers an alert to me. And if you create this CPU alert and associate with a profile, you can start and collect new CPU tickets. You can create alerts under configuration templates alert section. For example, my open ticket you see before is this CPU alert. I created this alert with a name of CPU, and under my alert setting, this part is important for service desk. If I enable this option, create alert tickets on service desk, it means that every alert which I set a condition from my profile monitors I show you, it will directly open to my portal as a ticket that my customer have a CPU problem. And you can set additional settings which I showed you before. Append, for example, an original ticket is an open ticket performance, or automatically close the other tickets, other metrics go below the threshold. You can open these tickets under your selected boards. You can create new ticket boards to your service desk. I have, for example, 3 ticket board for my service desk, which includes support, sales, and maintenance. If an alert is triggered, I want to see this alert inside my support ticket board. Okay, and I can synchronize my ticket board from here to ITSM portal and open the tickets with which priority. This CPU triggered tickets will be normal for me, but you can set as high, critical, or low for your tickets. And you can additional data and metrics to be inserted in the ticket. It's important because I showed inside the ticket, as you can remember, that performance metric and connectivity metrics. You can set device data also, and you can see brand, model, and type, owner, MAC address, and all information you want to see about the ticket. You can add as an inserted information, and you can save this changes, and also additional receipt for your tickets. If any alert triggered a ticket, you can send emails to yourself. For example, this customer have this problem and this triggered this number of tickets, and you can see before you go to your ticket board and check your tickets. It can always send, or after second or third monitoring procedure alerts is created. Or you can send the address if you want to add here, or you can send the following portal users. For example, I can select a portal user for this profile, and it will go to direct with this user if any monitoring ticket is created. And after this, all additional settings are set. You can go that, for example, this is the monitor I created. And this is, I edit all of the alert settings before from alerts menu, and I can now edit a monitor to my settings. This is the settings we edit. You have to enter 2 or more characters to find the alert you created. Mine is CPU, but I before created a test, for example, you can see like this, and I will add the CPU for alert settings, and the additional conditions you can add for it as I showed before, and you can see the profiles for this alert triggered monitoring, and you can see the logs for your devices. And I save my changes, and as you remember that we have this triggered tickets for this same rule I showed you. This is for CPU problem, and this is the part of the details we can see for our tickets triggered information as I showed you before. And I want to show you how can your customers open tickets. They don't want to send tickets via email, they don't want to call you, or they don't want to trigger monitoring rules. They can open directly to you under admin panel. You have settings, and under system you have a help desk URL. This URL is for your customers. You can send this link to them, and they can go directly to the link. I will open from here and open you a ticket. They want to open you a new ticket, and they have to select some feedback, general injury, for example. I will set an email address. I will write my name. I will add my phone number, and I will set that I have a printer problem, I have a connection problem, and I will add attachments. I will set an asset type and asset problem, and I will add the subtype. These fields are can be changed from admin panel. Also, you can set what you want. For example, in an asset type, I add this asset type as a new asset. You can change these details from your admin panel also. I want to create a ticket to my company, and I create it easily. I don't have to sign in, or I don't have to have any additional information. You can sign in also, but you don't have to do this. You can be a guest user, and you can have your create number, ticket number from here, and also an email information. Email will send you which user will claim your ticket, or which ticket is finished or taken. You can see all the emails from your system sends you, and also you can see a ticket assigned you. This is a portal user see this ticket, and for example, I take a new email that the ticket number 24 is assigned to my system. As who sent me, Zeynep mail is sent me as a support ticket and a connection problem. You can see the details, and you can click log into your support ticket system and go directly solve your customer's problem from here. And also the other, if someone claims the ticket you are searching for, it can be also come and you can see the details, or you can go your support center and check which ticket you have is under which state, and you can enter your email address and ticket number, and you can access a link for your tickets, and you can see the status of your tickets. This is for your customers, for your service you provide to your customers. And after a ticket is created, for example, I created one, I will go to my staff panel, and I will have a new 2 tickets that I created now. For example, 24 is the last I created. As you can see, first I want to show you this part. This web icon is for that your customers open this ticket via your support center. And you can understand where they create this with this icon also. And under the ticket details, you can see that who opens this ticket, which type of problem they are facing, or which subtype or asset type they are facing, and the details for the tickets same. You can claim this ticket, and I will solve this problem, and I am claiming this ticket, and I am starting to work on this ticket, and my time spent will start, and I will continue to working, and I will bill my customer, for example. This is the way you see your support center tickets. This is the first service desk webinar. That's why I'm basically talking about how you can handle your service. And if you want to see which tickets are comes from email, you can come here and under settings and admin panel, under emails, there is an incoming emails menu here, and if you enable this email fetching option, and if you have an email for admin address, every email sent from your customers will be open as a ticket to you, so you can see your email fetching tickets inside here, like I showed you before. If your customers send you this, you set the email, you can see that emails come from an open ticket as a ticket under your service desk. This is the basic ITSM integration with service desk and ticket board, how your customers can open a service ticket, and a new ITarian accounts for activating service desk. And the last I want to show you is our new product. We have under products and business automation and management menu, we have a new product that ITarian quick ticket application. What is quick ticket application? Your customers, as I showed you before, I can come and open here. This is our support center, and your customers can open tickets here from here. But what we did is an iOS application for this support center. Your customers don't have to open this link. Your customers will come here and enter your subdomain into their iOS application quick ticket and validate you as an MSP, and they have to add your their email addresses and your subdomain, and after validating you as a customer, they will come here and enter their problems as a description, as a subtitle, and they can set their problems as a type and subtype. For example, I set printer before, and then they will click this send button, and they will send you a ticket like I did from the support center before. So their tickets will create it, and they can see this ticket number from here. If they click follow my ticket, they can come here and see that check ticket status, and they can enter their email address and ticket number, which quick tickets give them before, and they can create new tickets, and they can return to this menu, and they can create new tickets to you. This is the easy way for your customers, which we have a screen to explain this. As I mentioned before, this menu under business automation under ITarian.com. Also, there is a link for iOS application store. If you click this, and this is our quick ticket iOS link for your customers. There is a little preview for ITarian quick ticket. So you can give your customers, they can download this application, and also you don't have to use this ITarian quick ticket icon. If you send us an email that your logos, we can show your company's icon here. This is a white label supported application. Your customers don't need to see our names or icons inside the application. They can quickly and easily report issues, and faster than ever before. It is fully integrated with Service Desk, with this support center I showed you before. And you can see the tickets from here, like as a web ticket is created to you. Also, we have a question here. Do you know which is a better option, fetching email via forwarding IMAP, or is IMAP faster? Will there be an Android app available later? We have in our roadmap for Android application, yes, but for start we only add it to iOS store, and you can send to your iOS user customers this link if you'd like to. Also, I can send you this link from chat, so you can directly open your download links here, and you can go directly from here. This is really a fast application, and if you send us an email to your company logo, if you're interested, I will show you this. If I can send our email address, and we can change your subdomains icon also for this application. Can the Quick Ticket app and or support center be rebranded? Yes, Quick Ticket is rebranded. I am trying to explain this. If you can send us your company's logo, we can change your Quick Ticket application. Also, we have a forum link for our Quick Ticket application, so you can send your you send your icons from here, and I can change quick ticket application. This is our quick ticket application page for forum, and I will add this link. Also, this is our product management ITarian email address. If you can send your product logo, we can change your subdomain and rebrand your quick tickets. If you don't have any questions, this is the topics I want to talk about this webinar. You can add your comments, or if you want to ask more about this webinar, you can go directly to our forum link I sent before the webinar started. I can answer your questions. Also, we will send the webinar record via email. Yes, I will send the webinar link after webinar was finished. Thank you everyone for your time. See you next week.